So I thought to myself, is there a way that I can make grits into a snack? So I'm going to make cheesy country ham grit balls. I'm cutting up half a cup of country ham, almost making country ham bits. I have my skillet nice and hot. Got some canola oil here. Putting half a cup of my diced, ooh, that sizzle, music to my ears. All right, so I'm frying my ham bits till they get nice and crispy. Instead of just adding the ham into the grit mixture, I like to fry it up because of the texture. I mean, I like a really crispy bacon and I like really crispy ham. So my ham is nice and crispy. Okay, I have about 2 cups of leftover grits from yesterday. Dump it right in the bowl. I'm gonna add the country ham, and I'm adding about a cup of smoked Gruyere cheese. So it's gonna give me a nice little smoky flavor. So all I do is mix it with my hand, just folding in all of my ingredients, and then I'm just gonna form some balls. So I'm gonna dredge these balls. I'm gonna put it in flour, egg, panko breadcrumbs at the end. That's gonna make it super crispy. So when you bite into it, you're gonna get crunchy, and then you're gonna get this ooey gooey soft center. Last one, right? Dredging station, half a cup of flour. And to kick it up a notch, I'm gonna add a pinch of cayenne and a few pinches of paprika. 2 eggs. Slightly whisk. And panko in my last bowl. I'm using panko instead of breadcrumbs because panko is a little thicker than breadcrumbs, so it's gonna be super crispy. Roll it in the flour, put it into the egg mixture, strip off any excess egg, coat it in the panko. That's it. I love a good old-fashioned bowl of grits, that's great. But adding cheese or some type of meat to grits, heaven. All right, so my oil is heated nice and hot. I'm gonna drop these in here and fry them until they're nice and golden brown. I'm just gonna keep moving them around. You see? No time at all. I'm looking for more so of a golden brown. Ah, there it is. There it is. It's golden brown. And I think the first batch is ready to try. Look at that.